We needed a wall checker to check for any electric lines or pipes behind the walls, as we were wanting to drill some holes into our walls. And that's why we decided to purchase this Bosch Truvo wall checker, and I'm going to show you now how it works. First of all, here at the back is the battery compartment. There were included 3 batteries for it. Here is the sensor. You shouldn't really touch that. Here in the front, you just turn it on. It's very easy how it works. There you see it's green at the moment. Then you have to put one hand on the wall and sort of ground yourself. So you put your one hand here, and then you put the wall checker onto the wall. And you can see it's red here on the left. It shows this one is red. And red means there is obviously some pipes, some metal pipes behind the wall. There is the bathroom, so I'm sure there will be some pipes there. I'm going to go over there for a second so you can see it goes from red to green. So here's red. And then here's green. This area would be safe, the green area would be safe to put any holes into the wall. And here you can also see it with some electric lines. It's green, green, and now it goes red here. Now here you can also see my husband using the Bosch Detector Truvo. This is really easy handling, really simple detection of these live cables and metal wall scanner. You can also find a link of this wall scanner underneath this video if you're interested in it. We are very happy with this wall checker from Bosch. We can definitely recommend it to you. It is really handy.